Hello everyone, I am Aisha and you are tuned in to the 668th episode of our Here and Now podcast. Today, we bring you the latest buzz from the insurance industry, so let's dive right in. Our first story today from Dainik Bhaskar, where we look at innovations in the agricultural sector. There is growing support to focus the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, also known as PMFBY, on AI-based weather forecasting. Industry leaders are advocating for this technological leap to improve the scheme's accuracy. Echoing this sentiment, our very own Dr. Tapan Singhal, MD and CEO at Bajaj General Insurance, stated, "We need to use technology to ensure that farmers are not dependent on luck but on data." He emphasized that leveraging AI for precise weather data can revolutionize how crop insurance is assessed and settled. This discussion highlights the need for precision in agricultural insurance. Traditional methods often lead to disputes and delays in claim settlements because of insufficient data. By utilizing AI for hyperlocal weather forecasting, the industry can ensure that farmers are compensated fairly and quickly for crop losses caused by adverse weather. As Dr. Tapan Singhal pointed out, this represents a move towards smart farming, where technology acts as a safety net, securing the livelihoods of millions of farmers against the unpredictability of nature. Moving on to next story from Business Standard, where we look at a significant development in government health initiatives. The Department of Financial Services Secretary recently inaugurated camps for the central government health scheme. Alongside this, the New India Assurance Company Limited launched a new product called Ayush Bima. This initiative is designed to integrate traditional Indian systems of medicine, such as Ayurveda, Yoga, and homeopathy, into the insurance framework. By officially recognizing and ensuring alternative treatments, the industry is acknowledging the diverse medical preferences of the Indian population. It is a move that not only broadens the scope of protection but also promotes traditional wellness systems, offering policyholders more choices in managing their well-being. Our next story, we examine a major update in the retirement planning space. According to a report by Times Bull, the National Pension System, or NPS, has now expanded to include health insurance. The highlight of this integration is the provision to waive off expensive premiums under certain conditions, making health coverage more accessible for subscribers. This shift is redefining the retirement landscape. For long pension plans focused solely on post-retirement income, often ignoring the skyrocketing medical costs that come with aging, by embedding health insurance into the NPS, the sector is moving towards a more comprehensive solution that protects both the income and the health of senior citizens, ensuring that their retirement savings are not wiped out by medical emergencies. Our final story today from Insurance Business Mag turns our attention to the digital frontier, specifically the rising threat of cybercrime. A new report warns that an AI-driven surge in cyber attacks has pushed India past 3,100 attacks per week. As artificial intelligence technology evolves, cyber criminals are leveraging it to launch more sophisticated and frequent attacks on businesses. This trend highlights a critical vulnerability in our increasingly digital economy. The double-edged sword of AI means that while businesses use it for efficiency, hackers exploit it. This reality makes cyber insurance not just a luxury, but a necessity for modern enterprises. The discussion emphasizes that as attack vectors become more intelligent, our defense strategies and our insurance policies must evolve just as rapidly to safeguard data and financial assets. And with that, we conclude today's episode. We hope you found these in-depth updates helpful and insightful. As always, our podcast Here and Now will continue to bring you more such stories from the world of insurance. Until then, take care, goodbye, and have a great week ahead.